is Neil. In this video, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic called how to make a link. So, if you need to create a link in HTML, so you can use anchor tag. I show with the example. Now, in this one, I just remove this one. Okay, I make a href equal to. So I'm going to connect to Google page. If you need to connect to Google page, I type here http://www.google.com. So E stands for anchor tag. So now I close this. I just make a Google. It's like a link I created. Okay. Now if I click on Google, it connect to Google page. So now my system is connected to internet. So now, so you can run this one. My server is already running. Just if I open here the browser, you can find Google. Just if you click on this, it open the Google page. Yeah. Okay. So just you can create a link. Same way that I can make one more link also, like a href equal to http://www.javatpoint.com. Java point. I just save this file. Now it reflected the browser. Both the link is there. So if I click on link, it connect to. So my it's not loading. Yeah, I can connect. Can connect to the website. Yeah. Okay. You can connect to the page. So what are the website if you need to connect, you can do with the link. For example, here if you need to make a space between these two links, so I can add here. One is like if you need a space, you can add N and NBSP semicolon. This is to add one space. Add one space. Suppose if you need more space, you can add again and again NBSP. Or if you need to make more alignment or anything, better you can use CSS. With the help of CSS, you can. Okay. Now I'm going to load my own file. For example, in this my HTML, I create a new folder with the name, okay, my data. In this one, I create one more file with the name first.html. Now first.html, which is here in this one. So I make HTML file. I make here head tag. Okay, I make here like title. Okay, welcome is the title, and I make a body tag. I make background color red, and I make a message here. Like I make a Markup tag, direction is equal to right, and I'm going to make a message like welcome to first page. Okay, this is a message. I save this file. Now in this ex, I'm going to call. If you need to load that in place of Java T point, I just remove this. So I make it first. Okay, I'm going to load the first page. The first page, which is in folder called my data under my HTML. This ex.html, which is in my HTML. Under this one, my data, I have first.html. So just you can put here dot slash, okay, my data first.html. Now previously I connected to website, web page. Now if you click on first, it connect to my first page. This is the first page I create. So by this you can load your own file also. Can do that. See, A is nothing but it's an anchor tag. It's like a link. You can create n number of link. You can do that. So same like that. Here I create a link. So similar like that, I'm going to make here one more, like I'm going to make an image. If you need to make an image, I can make it img set tag. So if you need to place something like next line, you can make it br slash, or br stands for break the line. You can make br/br also can do that, or br slash. In this next line, I'm going to make an image. I use img tag. Img stands for image. I'm going to make it source. So I'm going to load the image from internet. So just I connect to browser, any browser you can. So I load here. Suppose I make here line dot jpg. I'm loading jpg or png format, any image you can. Suppose if you need to load this image, right click the image. Okay, better you can use this browser also, you can do that, or you can use Chrome also. Better I can use Chrome. Okay, I open here Chrome. In this Chrome, okay, in this one I just type here like line.jpg. okay, this image. In this line here you can find many line image, so whichever you need you can. So but I select this one, right click the image, whichever the image, right click the image. You can see that copy image address. I just copy the image address. Now I'm going to load here in this src. Src stands for source code. I'm loading the image. I'm going to make the height of the images 200 pixel, and I'm going to make the width of the images 400 pixel. I'm making height as 200 pixel and width as 400 pixel. So I close the image like this way. I make slash greater than. I close the img tag. Now if you see here, so just if you come back, you can see that I just refresh the browser. You can see that image get loaded. Image is loaded. Okay, so suppose if you need to reduce the image size or anything, you can load the reduce the image size also. Can. So I'm going to reduce it to 100. So actually I zoom the screen. This is my 100% of my screen. This is 300%. You can see here. Actual this one. Okay, if you need to increase the height, you can make it 500. Now the image size get increased. So if you need to zoom or anything, you can make control plus. This to zoom, or if you need to reduce, you can make control minus. This 100% of my screen. You can zoom and you can do that. Zoom in, zoom out. You can do that. Okay. So if you need to make the image to be fit then the entire screen like width. So I make it 100% width. You can use percentage also. You make 100% connect to the entire screen. So by this you can make percentage also, you can do that. Like pixel also you can. So same like that they apply EM rule also, they may make them. Okay, by this you can add the image also, you can do that. So in this video we discussed on how to create a link and how to make an image. Okay, same like that I show another example also. I'm going to show you how to make a button and how to connect to the page. If you need to create a button, you can make your form. Form is a tag. Under form, I'm going to make an action equal to. So I make it http:// so www.google.com. So in this one, I make a button types equal to submit. Now here, if I click on, I make it Google. Google is a button. Okay, now once I click on, so these are all tags. You can see the form is a tag, action is an attribute, button is a tag, type is an attribute. Okay, now if I click on Google button, it connects to Google page. So this is a button. Can you see here? If I click on Google button, it connects to Google page. Yeah. So by this you can make a link also, you can do that. You can make a button also, you can. If you make a button, better you can put it under form. Okay, under the form you can make a button and you can navigate to the next page. You can do that. Thank you so much. So try to do some practice over this one. It's very important concept. Thank you. Hi students. If you really like my video, if you enjoy the video, please subscribe and like my channel. So I need your support. Thank you.